Okay, so one time when I wanted to buy a new phone, I think it was right when the iPhone 6 was about to come out. Uh, I knew I wanted to get a new type of phone, but I hadn't had an iPhone before. This would be my first one. The guy at T-Mobile really did a good job selling me on it, and just expressing to me how uh, my biggest thing was the screen prior to it. But once they switched to a bigger screen, it kind of sold itself, but he did a better job selling me on it and making me feel more comfortable about switching from a Samsung product to a Apple product. And I can say that I haven't went back since. So that was one instance of me being a buyer, and a personal experience of me being a seller would be the time that I worked for OnStar, and it was an inbound sales call center, and I used to take calls. People would call in to renew their subscriptions or, want to buy minutes or Wi-Fi for their vehicles. And I would always have to, um, add an extra offer on top of whatever they were buying. Like the most important thing that we would get would be the most important thing that would be for us to try to do is to get our renewals. So if somebody's subscription was coming up for renewal, then we would try to go ahead and get them renewed as quickly as possible. And uh, after, even if they were calling in to get a renewal, we would have to try to sell them minutes or Wi-Fi, whatever they were eligible for in their vehicle. So that's my instance of being, on the selling side.